Hey pandas, it's just, I'm getting ready for the crunchy slime video, but I'm just going to make a really quick video of a cake slime. So I have my fluffy slime that is really not that slimy, like slime. Okay, so I'm just going to put this together with this, and this is going to be my frosting. Okay, so now I'm going to add this. This is actually slime. So I'm going to put this on top. Whoa, this looks just like a birthday cake, but too much yellow. Okay. Now it is working. I'm going to flatten it out. And I'll take away or just push down the I can't say that word. It's so hard to say. Excess, the extra glue, the extra slime. Okay, that's it for our slime. Maybe I should do something like put something on top. I have an idea. Okay, so the plate's changed, and now I'm gonna put on a special Shopkin. Oh my gosh, this is the best birthday cake ever. So good. Oh no, don't go in there. You like it. Here, now, say goodbye. 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 Whoa. Now I'm going to mix this slime together. And this isn't that much satisfying. Make sure there's no slime on this one. And this is not ASMR. That's where see, this is not stretchy. So okay, so the next day I'll see how it goes for this. And thanks for watching this. Oh no! This very quick video. And see you all later.